Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to activate Google Assistant on any Poco phone. Now, if you tap and hold on your home screen and it enables the Gemini AI app, and if you want to enable the Google Assistant app, just open the Google app. Now from here, just tap on your profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now from here, tap on Google Assistant. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Digital Assistant from Google. Now from here, just select Google Assistant. Now from here, tap on Switch. Now from here, if you tap and hold on your home button, you can enable Google Assistant instead of Google Gemini. And this is how you can enable Google Assistant on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.